Hey, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're just going to finish up our ship tour. This is everything indoors. So, we're going to kick it off with our room, which was a midship deck one interior room. Let's get into it.
You walk in, you got instantly to your left closet. You got a bunch of hangers. Then the other side is your shelving, safe, more shelves, and 3 drawers. You walk straight into the bed. You have 2 nightstands. You got your cute little heart towel. Then your TV. Bathroom. And then the vanity, you have a European plug, 2 regular ports, and USB. Everything you need in a nice
Carnival vacation. But remember, this ship isn't like any hotel. It's a floating hotel in the middle of an ocean. So here are some safe cruising tips made just for you. Tip number 3, outer deck. The outer deck is always the place to be and where you'll find all the fun.
Alrighty, and this is the hallway down to the elevators. Now it is a mid, and this is where you would go to get off the ship today. Even rooms. And the elevators. The elevators are really cool. You hit them. You just click the floor you want.
10. Car N.
Find N. And away you go. Super humid up here because that door over there is open. So now when you're in the elevator, it's supposed to go straight up to this level here. For some reason, it hasn't been doing that, but we'll see what happens this time. It might just because it works differently than it did 2 years ago, but either way, up we go. Okay, into the Marketplace Buffet. One of the mini beverage stations. Again, we're in the back of the ship. Here's where you can also go upstairs to the Asian Mongolian kitchen and the Italian restaurant. And here on this deck, we have the Asian kitchen on deck 11 and the Italian restaurant. Both right when you come in the back door, and they're closed right now. And then here the sandwich shop is open. Typically the desserts would be on this side. And they have these washing hand things. And then the hot food is over to our left. The air station to our right. And here's the other side of the buffet. So you've got 2 separate buffet areas, typically serving the same thing. Another drink station. You get coffee, hot chocolate, lemonade, and iced tea, water and ice. And of course, everyone's favorite soft serve department. And to deck 5, they have all the shops here. These are some of the pictures they did at the art show. And if you go all the way to the front of the boat on deck 5 and 4, you come to the Liquid Lounge, which is where they have their Broadway show at night. There's a ladies' room on this side on the 5th floor or deck, and then on the right side is the men's. Now this shop here is kind of interesting. They sell some name brand bags. However, they also sell some Louis Vuitton bags, which the young lady told me they are used. So that's kind of odd. But it's a really Here's a purse cart. Looks like that's the guest one. They're ours. You have some fragrances. They sell different kind of makeup in there. Cherry on top. Typical candy store. And the end, you come to the Liquid Lounge. Again, on this side, you have the men's restrooms right around the corner. And then lanai on both sides. Also on this deck 5, this lanai, so on the port side, this is the other smoking section. So there's the one on the 11th floor and the one on the 10th floor. Again, I'll make sure I have that information correct in the description. And just a little more artwork. And then we have our Iffy store, which sells all kinds of jewelry. Okay, now we're on the 5th floor still. We have the library here. Super nice library. Across from that we have the piano bar. Oh, it's cool in here. And then we have the tapenaki on this side. Now this is an additional charge. I'll also put in the link below what the additional charge is. I think it's $18 a person, but it could be more. The Alchemy bar. Setting up for those fancy photos tonight. And then the Fahrenheit Steakhouse. Also an additional charge. You got your meat hanging in the window there. Okay, right past the Alchemy bar, you have Pixels. This wall here normally displays all the pictures, but you can choose your own over here. You can also click these little tablet looking things and get your pictures as well. We have Pigs and Anchors. They also do karaoke in the back. They do have their own draft IPAs here. Here's the little stage where you can sing and karaoke. Just a little of what the restaurant looks like. Okay, some prices. We're making our way to the back of the boat. On deck 5 still, you have the Dream Studios. You also have the Javablue.
Don't worry, because there's going to be more tomorrow and the other days, okay? So do not stress. Are we ready then? 14.
And this is the Ocean Plaza. They do a lot of the trivia here and karaoke.
20.
And then right across is a little bar.
Where are you? Who's at 21? Oh, which is Alchemy. Okay, 20.
Then on the 5th deck, you make it all the way back and you hit the Havana bar. And this is the Havana area.
I do this in last city. Adults think, yeah. I really like it.
A lot of seating back here. Really nice section, actually. They also have a bar back here, and if you go out the doors, you're on the level with the second pool and the spas. A bar. And then you got the stage. And it just goes in a big circle. And then out. Again, a really quiet, cool place to just hang out, play cards, talk. And now we're going to go to the 4th floor. There's a little more shopping and some other places down there. So let's not be lazy and take the steps down a floor or two. Now, if you come down the stairs, go to the right, some restrooms, conference room, but you have the Limelight Lounge. And in the back of the boat is the Vista Restaurant. And here's the Carnival store, one of my favorite stores, or the fun shop. It's closed right now, and I wanted to come buy me one of these cups. Another little jewelry section. Now, if you take a right here, you are back to the Liquid Lounge, again, where they do all the shows. On the bottom level, and the elevators. Alrighty, when you're on the 5th floor, you come down the stairs, you make a left, and you will run into the Limelight Lounge. Well, you make a left, then a right. Limelight Lounge is on the floor. That's where a lot of the comedy is. There's also to the right some more of those little tablet things to get your pixel pictures. If you want to look at them there, you can do that with a nice view. Well, this one's not as nice of a view, but
the talent is right there.
you got some more of the art on the walls. Some of the art is super awesome. I mean, take a look at that. They do an art auction. I've been to a couple. They're pretty cool.
By the main pool.
We got another restroom.
The Love and Mary show coming you
Here's where you can talk to them about the art.
It is a comedy show that you want to miss. It is one of the highlights of the
Now we're coming to the Heroes Bar. You can also get draft beer in here as well.
Basically laid it down. Simeon benefited from the extra distance.
There's where you
The guys are
also
also
get,
singing in the first couple
obviously,
minutes
sports.
with the roof open and the brightness. It's
The outside ball on the first pitch to Seager has destroyed the Diamondbacks in this series.
And to all of our service members, thank you for your service. So here's the casino. So we're at port, so it's closed, so it's a perfect time to come through. Typically it's pretty loud, as you could imagine. So they also have some table games. If you like to play tables and give your money away, you're welcome to step aside here. Just kidding. But they do get pretty busy, so they have quite a bit of table games. And here's some more little shops still on the 4th floor. Again, the Liquid Lounge on the opposite side. Here's some watches. And here is the liquor store. So I'm not sure. It looks like some of the liquor is 2 for $60, 2 for $30. Just keep in mind, anything you buy here has to be packaged and sealed. You cannot take it to your room, but you can take it home with you. Okay, and now we are to the Atrium. Okay, we've made it to the Atrium. Oh, and look at it. Dr. Seuss characters are out.
Slide to the right, to the right, to the right, go to the right, more. There you are. Hands to the knee. There you are. Hold it, there you go.
And then you have your Carnival Adventures over here. And then right across from the Adventures, where you will book your excursions, is the guest services. But across from guest services, you can also go to any of these kiosks that are on numerous floors. Get your summary and anything you need to see. You can see your account summaries there, so that's very helpful, so you don't have to always wait in line.